Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm here in Budapest, and I'm on Vaci Street, Vaci Street, and let me just show you what this looks like. It's pretty amazing. This is a major walking street here in Budapest, and it's this big, huge street, and it ends in one of the big squares, and this is where I live, so my house is like really close. But I'm just out looking for a SIM card, and I was just asking for people, and they said that everything closes at 8. So, you know, I might have to get one tomorrow, but I'm going to go see if I can find something to eat because I'm starving. But this is the street. It's really neat. I mean, you have to imagine, I just got here. This is my first walk outside. So, Market Point, food, drinks, bakery. Oh, that's cool. You know, I gotta always remember where my house is. So this is a grocery store, and I need coffee and stuff, so I'll come back. Oop. Get a Thai massage. Christmas market, it looks like, or something. Huh. Oh, a Burger King. Can't go wrong there. And there's a another souvenir shop, but there's a McDonald's down around the corner, a KFC around the corner, Marriott's around the corner. And George told me not to eat on this street. He says, get off this street and go somewhere else. He said this street is really like a kind of a robbery kind of thing. He said, so don't do anything here unless you have to. So, and another little grocery store. Hard Rock Cafe. Wow, look at this square. This is pretty amazing. Well, let's see what the food looks like and costs on this street. Let's not go crazy. So it looks like fish vega burger, whatever. $9.50. $9 for a hamburger and french fries, or a chicken burger actually. A little pizza is $9. What else? You know, I haven't used this camera yet in a long time, and so it's tilting. You know what I mean? So I'm always putting above my finger. So I will work on that too. Wow, wow, wow. Wow. Huh. Very cool. There's a bank. OTP bank. I probably need cash too, don't I? It's probably a plus. Let's go down this street a little bit. Oh, so Fashion Street, Budapest. Budapest. Not Budapest, Budapest. Get this right, Eric. Sorry, my ADHD is just running away with me, and I've got cars and signs and shops and buildings and lights and... Oh, and this is a train station? No, this is it's a walk or a car park. It looks like I wonder. Oh, can you see it from here? The big eye. And I just have my one little coat on, but it's not doing too bad. My face is a little cold, but 'tis be it. And they can buy a scooter, take me for a spin, or you can rent those. Oh, I am so on that. All right, I'm gonna have to get me one of those. Go bust through the neighborhood a little bit. Wow, look at that. Wow, amazing. Very cool. I haven't even shown you the bridge and everything else and the castle right across the street, and I can't get to it from that way, but I'll go this way. Oh, brr, it's cold. Now that you're out in the wind, what hotel is this? What is this place? Was it a... No, I don't think it's a hotel, maybe. Oh, it is. Kempinski Hotel Corvinus. Huh. All right. This looks like a big fat hotel. You know what's kind of amazing too is, like, look, if you look at the eye, if you look over there, you see the castle sitting right there. And there's another one sitting right in front of us. You can barely see it. And what is this building? Another hotel? There just must be hotels everywhere here. Oh, car rental place. Statues. Alright, I'll go up here and turn right before my hands fall off my body. What is this? Oh, the Ritz-Carlton. Wow. All right, let's just go in the Ritz-Carlton. I think I just ran into that wall. Wow. Wow. I bet this place is a little expensive. Or a whole lot expensive. Cool. Oh. You can see that right behind that light, that church is, or building or castle or whatever that thing is, looks pretty amazing. This one does too. So this must be a bus and train station here somewhere. Wow. Wow, wow. Amazing. And what's that? Richter Gideon Gorbunski? I don't have any idea what that one is. Here's the KFC. And look at that building. It's pretty amazing too. And statues. Oh, and this tells you what the streets are. St. Vestana Basilica. Oh, so that must be a church over there to the left. Torikatuvka. Oh, so there's the synagogue, Jewish synagogue. And this is Basilica, so I guess that's a church. And then this is, Vaci Street. That's where I live, Vaci Street. And then Budapestino Information. And is that the... Wow, what is that building? That's amazing. Wow, wow. Okay. Note to self, more coats at night. And the city just goes way that way too. Okay, you know what? I know exactly where I am now. This is where, yes. So you can walk right here down this little road to the right, and it'll get you to the water too. But I think I'm gonna turn right here. Yeah, I'll go this way. Oh, another note to self, Kleenex in pocket. What is that place called? Corozos? Huh, looks like a little bar or something. I think this is just going to take me back down to my street, Vaci Street. Cool. Oh, that's a DM. I want a grocery store. Let's go see if there's a grocery store this way. All right, everybody. You're just walking around with me, learning the city as I learn it. But you know how this goes. The initial walk is always kind of cute and getting your bearings and everything else. So. Oh, I guess they're closed. Breakfast, gypsy steak. Huh. Simon's Burgers. Simon's Burgers does a business, boy, I'll tell you. Look at that. The perfect milkshakes. Can you read all that? The perfect milkshakes. Big love. Excellent fries. Best burger ever of my life. Okay. Huh. You know I'm going there. Not tonight, though. Wow. Well, everybody, I think this is pretty much the heart of Budapest. All these little streets. So we'll go do walking a whole bunch more, of course. And we'll go see more sights, of course. Oh, there's a soup house over there and a foot shop. Vin, I don't know what that is. He's gonna let me cross. Thanks, bro. Well, that's it, everybody. I think I'm gonna do the bad thing and just go over there to Burger King and grab a burger and then head home. Have a good day, everybody. Wow, that's kind of cool. Is there? I wonder if that'll actually pump. Huh. Okay, that's it, everybody. Bye-bye. Thanks for coming. Bye.